Hello and welcome. This is a quick, deep yoga stretch class. We'll get started in a comfortable seated position on your mat. Get comfortable in your space. Inhale, circle your arms out wide, reach them up to the sky. Press your palms together and then sweep them down by your sides. Once again, inhale, reach up. Exhale, this time cactus your arms. Bring your elbows to 90 degrees. Send your chest forward and your elbows back. Exhale, draw your forearms and elbows together, round your spine. Inhale, send your chest forward, elbows back. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, pull your elbows back, chest up. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, lift your chin and chest. Return to a neutral spine. Open your arms out, turn your chest to the right. Inhale. Exhale, bring your left hand to your right knee, your right hand behind your back. Breath in, find length. Breath out, open your chest to the right. Seated twist. Inhale back through center. Exhale, open twist to the left. Turn your chest to the left. Right hand to your left knee, left hand behind your back. Breath in, you find length. Breath out, you open your chest wide. Inhale, unwind, come back to center. Uncross your legs, plant your feet on the floor, scoot them out so your feet are a little bit further away from your hips. Knock your knees to the right. Set up a 90-90 shape, also known as deer pose in yoga. Your hips turn off to the right with 90-degree angles in both knees. However, this might be really tough on the hips, so draw your front heel in, adjust your back leg, then find length, sit up nice and tall. Twist left hand to right knee, right hand scoots back, tented fingers. Inhale, lift up tall. Exhale, open your chest. Release back to center over your right leg. Crawl your hands on tented fingers. Bow your head forward. This is a deep hip opener, so maybe you stay on your hands, surrendering your head and chest, or come down to your forearms. Wherever you are in this shape today is perfect. Don't worry about how deep you get in any of these stretches. The focus instead is all about feeling good and showing your body some love. Inhale, crawl yourself back up. Come up through center and take that 90-90 shape to the left leg in front. Draw that left heel in closer to your body to relieve a little bit of pressure on your hip. Sit up nice and tall. Bring your right hand to your left knee, your left hand out to the side for support. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, twist. Release. Inhale back to center. Exhale, crawl your hands out. Bow your head either on your hands or on your forearms. Inhale, release. Pick your torso back up. Take your knees back to center. Soles of the feet come together to touch. Knees go out wide. Baddha Konasana, also known as bound angle or butterfly. Grab onto your feet. Find length in your spine on the inhale. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale, roll your spine back up. Close your legs in. Turn so you're long ways on your mat. Place your hands behind your hips, fingers point in, feet about hips distance apart. Inhale, lift your hips up off the mat for reverse table, opening up through the chest. If this is too much pressure on the wrists or the arms and shoulders, you can take your hands a little bit wider or turn your fingers out to the side. Lower your hips back down, extend your legs long in front of you. Inhale, lift your arms overhead. Exhale, fold, reach for your feet, seated forward fold. If it's available to you, hook your peace fingers, your index finger and middle finger around your big toe. Allow your head to fall forward. Add a soft bend in your knees if your hamstrings are feeling really tight in this pose. Your hands can also come down to the mat. Release, inhale, roll up to seated. Bend at the knees. Once again, lift up, reverse table. Exhale, lower down, cross your ankles, press your hands into the mat. Lean into your hands and roll back and forth on your toes for a nice little foot massage here. Breath in and a breath out, forward fold. Soft bend in the knees, let your head fall forward. Grab for opposite elbows, ragdoll pose. Allow your chest to rest on your thighs. Really let your upper body go. Let it hang here like a ragdoll. Release your hands down. Step your left foot back. A low lunge. You can come to tented fingers. Let your hips be heavy. Feeling a soft opening all across your hips. Tuck your back toes. Lift your back knee up off the mat. Runner's lunge. Fly your right arm straight up to the sky. Open your chest towards your right leg. Runner's lunge twist. Inhale, find length. Exhale, thread your right arm behind your left for thread the needle. Inhale, fly your arm back up. Runner's lunge twist. 2 more times. Exhale, thread. Inhale, unravel and open. Exhale, thread. Inhale, open up. Exhale, lower your back knee. Reach your right arm back so it's parallel to the floor behind you. Inhale. Exhale, right hand back to the mat. Tuck your back toes. Come back into your runner's lunge. Breath in. Breath out. Straighten your right leg for a long pyramid pose. Forehead to knee. Inhale, runner's lunge. Exhale, long pyramid. Inhale, runner's lunge. Exhale, long pyramid. Inhale, runner's lunge. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step your right foot back. Lower your back knee to the mat for low lunge. Sink your hips low. Tuck your back toes, lift your back knee up off the mat for runner's lunge. Plant your right hand. Inhale your left arm up high to the sky. Open your chest. Exhale, thread your left arm under and through. Inhale, open. Exhale, thread. Inhale, fly open. Exhale, thread. Inhale, fly open. Exhale, lower your back knee down. Bring your left arm back behind you, parallel to the floor. Inhale, bring your left arm back down to frame your left foot. Lift your back knee up off the mat. Inhale, runner's lunge. Exhale, long pyramid. Inhale, runner's lunge. Exhale, long pyramid. Inhale, lunge. Exhale, long pyramid. Inhale, step back into plank pose. Exhale, lower all the way to your belly. Untuck your toes. Place your left forearm in front of you, palm face down. Bend your right knee, grab for the inside of your right foot and draw your heel to your seat, quad stretch. Continue to lift up through your chest as you pull your heel in closer. Inhale, exhale, release, right arm down. Left arm reaches for the inside of your left foot. Draw your heel into your seat as you lift and open your chest. Inhale. Exhale, release. Thread your right arm under your left. Find your way onto your back. Inhale, reach your arms long overhead for a long body stretch. Exhale, hug your knees into your chest, ball pose. And release down to the mat. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh for a figure 4 stretch. Work into this shape or reach up and grab behind your left thigh or the front of your left shin and pull your legs into your body, opening your hips. Release. Left foot down to the mat. Press into your left foot and lift your hips up to the sky. Figure 4 bridge pose. Inhale. Exhale, lower your hips down. And lower your right foot down to the mat. Figure 4 twist. Take your eyes off to the right. Inhale back to center. Hug your knees into your chest. And find your way over to figure 4 on the left. Left ankle on right thigh. Work this shape or hug your knees into your chest, clasping behind the thigh or on the shin. Breath in. Exhale, lower your feet down to the mat. Inhale, lift your hips up, figure 4 bridge. Press into your right foot. Exhale, release. Lower your left foot to the mat for a figure 4 spinal twist. Breathe here. Inhale back to center, hug your knees into your chest. Give your body a little love, one final squeeze, and let it go.